Combine the MasterFix with the screw. Insert the combined MasterFix into the crown, aligning it with the D-cut direction. Attach the MasterFix to the fixture and secure it using a Torx driver to the recommended tightening torque. The screw head expands the elasticity of the abutment, filling any internal gaps and securing it completely. The setting screw is a type of screw without a screw head, used to temporarily adjust the fit and contact at the abutment level during crown fixation. Once the setting screw is fastened, the abutment remains fixed to the fixture, allowing for the crown to be detached easily. During final setting, it is essential to remove the setting screw and then fasten the MasterFix screw to complete the setting. With CAM software Apex Mills angled screw hole settings, up to 30 degrees of path compensation is possible, allowing for the creation of aesthetically pleasing prosthetics even for interior teeth. Insert the combined MasterFix into the crown, aligning it with the D-cut direction. Attach the MasterFix to the fixture and secure it using a Torx driver to the recommended tightening torque. When setting a bridge crown, alternate tightening across 2 to 3 rounds to prevent the opposite crown from lifting. For paths angled more than 22 degrees, using a multi-unit abutment allows compensation up to 90 degrees. MasterFix significantly reduces chair time, enhancing not only doctor and staff's efficiency, but also patient satisfaction. The setting time can be reduced up to 3 minutes, achieving approximately 90% time savings compared to cement-type prosthetics. Second, MasterFix enables both healthy and aesthetic prosthetic treatment. Cemented-type prosthetics pose risks such as discomfort from residual cement and associated complications like inflammation and gum recession. However, MasterFix, being a cementless type, allows for deep margin placement for aesthetic prosthetics and is advantageous for gum healing as well. Third, conventional impression method can be used as well. Both analog impression-taking methods and digital scanning methods are available, allowing you to choose according to the dental situation. ARUM Dentistry is a dental specialized company that has sold over 10 million prostheses. In addition to prosthetics, ARUM Dentistry excels in the CAD/CAM field with cutting-edge technology, providing precise, cementless solutions through expert technical support.